So today's video is the installation instruction of a Zeos Backplate Mixer. Now this part of the instruction is the fit off part. So this video addresses the frequently asked question of can you adjust the spigot depth after the mixer is in the wall? Okay, we've got an optimum plumb-in depth of 55mm below the finished tile surface with a plus minus 10mm variation. So it can either be 45mm below or 65mm below. Okay, so the fit off part of our installation is done after the tiling is complete and after the sealing is done around the mixer and outlet spigot. So step one is to ensure that the area around where our plate is going to go is clean from tile, grout, sealant, etc. We need to firstly remove these plastic protector covers from the mixer and from the outlet spigot. Then we need to adjust the depth of this. So you'll notice that there's a hex in the end of here, and we've got this 6mm Allen key which we're going to insert in there and unwind it because ours is mounted a little bit too deep. So we'll pull it out until the last step on the spigot lines up with the front of the tile surface. So I'm going to use a ruler today just to put on the finished tile surface, and I'm going to bring that spigot out until the step hits the ruler. Done. Remove those. Next step is to ensure that the cylinder and the spigot are clean and free from dirt. Then we'll remove the plate from the box. So this is the Zeos Backplate. We're going to put that over there. So we may need to moisten this O-ring inside of here just so it fits on perfectly over the cylinder. We'll put that on square, straight, so it doesn't scratch. Push that all the way to the back. Then we're going to install our handle. So we'll unpack the handle from the box. So that's the Zeos handle there. We'll place that over the stem. We'll take our 2.5mm Allen key which is supplied and fasten it from the bottom. Next step is to flush the lines. So we're going to turn the water on, have a bucket, and we're going to flush out the lines in case there's any tile grout or thread tape in the lines that we need to get rid of. After that step, we're going to unpack the spout from the box. So this is the spout. We're going to insert these black plugs in the back if they're not already supplied inserted, and then this spout goes straight onto that spigot. So you may need to moisten these O-rings again. Pushes on all the way to the back. Then we're going to use our 2.5mm Allen key again. Unpack the little cone point grub screws from the bag and insert them in the bottom. Now there's 2 of them in there. Right, that's now complete. But before we leave the site, if there's any issues, we're going to have to call Faucet Strommen. Thank you.